We do the same thing multiple times. It's okay. It happens with the cube. It really does. Don't give up, because you will eventually get there. Again, this is like a 6-minute run, so it can take you less. It can take you 30 seconds. It can take you a couple of hours. If you don't familiarize yourself with the cube. But this was a harder configuration, and that's what this person said, so I got a harder configuration. All right. See? That's why it's harder. Because all the sides are matching, but you can't get where we want to be. If we do anything, we're going to mess up. So, we'll get there. And like I said, this will be a two-parter because about 8 minutes. It's actually 9 minutes, I'm sorry.